So my brother and I went for a ride. We had a good time till the end of the day. I tipped my bike over on the mountains because I can't single track. So this little video is about what to bring when you're trying to single track a KLR. Number one is a tow strap. Number two is a very capable and strong little brother. Number three is a very strong and capable little brother's motorcycle. So anyway, enjoy some epic pics of me falling on my face, riding down the mountains, being pulled on my massive 400 and something pound KLR650 by my brother's much older and apparently much stronger WR426. Anyway, hope you enjoy it. Peace out.